What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Liferin, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be going over two of the Lululemon jackets that I always hear about, and I waited a good couple seasons for them to finally go into that one section that says we made too much, which means that they're on sale. Perfect. Anyway, so I'm normally a size 2 in sports bras, a size 32 and a B. So given that as a reference, I grabbed two jackets. The first one is the all yours hoodie. I knew that I wanted to have something that was a relaxed fit, something I could throw on while doing a brisk walk around the block, or running errands. If I had like a large t-shirt on, I didn't want to have the lines showing or anything, or be like confined in any way possible. So that's why I grabbed this one. This one also has like a really good, it's not thick, but it has good weight to it. So it won't suffocate you, but it definitely keeps the cold out. And I wore this today at Oakland where it was about 65 degrees with a really cool breeze, you know what I mean? This one is made out of 73% cotton, 24% polyester, and 3% elastane. The rib section is also made of 95% cotton and 5% elastane, so it's very stretchy, very comfortable. The outer portion is like very soft, kind of like the Luxtreme, although it's not Luxtreme material. I just like it because it's very soft. And then the inner part of this jacket is also very soft, and it doesn't pill. Well, I haven't washed it yet, so I've only worn it once. So here's this, and it's very soft. Like I said, it's fleece. It kept me warm today out in the cold breeze. You know, I actually don't see their little logo here. I thought it would be on the hood, but it's not. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So there's a little logo right here. So it's going to be like to your left pocket side. The thing I don't like about this is their zipper logo. It's not even a logo. I don't know what this is, Lululemon. I thought you could do better than that. So again, it's a very relaxed fit. The zipper works. You don't have to worry about trying to fumble over it. It has a good length. It doesn't, however, have any of those desired thumb holes here. And it's thicker than your normal sweatshirt that you just grab from Target. I like it because I feel like it's gonna hold well in all of my washes. It does have good pockets right here. It doesn't zip or anything, but at least your phone won't fall out. Oh, it also has this little tiny pocket for your key. That's cool. Is that one too? No, just one side. And then no drawstring or anything at the bottom, but it holds its shape again. Fair enough. And then the second one that I'm going to go over is called the Define jacket. And I think they make a hooded version of that one too, but I got the hoodless version. This one I got in a size 4, the color black. This is made out of 69% nylon, 31% lycra, and then the side panels are made of 72% nylon and 28% lycra. So this one, I like the back, how it looks. It's very streamlined, like how normally Lululemon products are. It definitely allows you to show your shape a little bit more. It has these panels right here, and it has zipped pockets. It has the thumb holes, and then you can also roll these down, which I'll show you next if your hands get really cold. So let's place this on. I had this one on too in that 65 degree weather up in Oakland today. This wasn't working. Even with a shirt on, yeah, it wasn't working for me. Another thing I don't like too much about this jacket is that the zipper, like why is the zipper so darn hard to zip up? I mean, that wasn't too crazy, but I've had difficulty the last couple of times I tried placing this on today. So again, this has like really nice shape to it. It has the panels, the side panels right here, the front panel right here, which helps keep everything tucked in place. And here's the back portion of it. You just kind of feel like, I don't know, do you remember that one Olivia Wilde movie, Tron? Oh yeah, that's what it is. I feel like Tron with this thing on. I know I don't look like Tron. Yeah, I got it. Anyway, there's your thumb holes. You can flop these things over like so. You can box with this. Just kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Those are my 2 reviews for these 2 jackets that are like well known. grab yourself a pair, or grab yourself both of these jackets, not a pair. Thanks for watching. Bye.